In the next 5 years, millions of jobs will change, not because of a recession, not because of a global crisis, but because of artificial intelligence. The question isn't if AI will change jobs. The real question is, are you ready for it? Artificial intelligence is no longer a future concept that exists only in research labs or science fiction movies. It is already part of our daily lives. AI is writing emails, summarizing meetings, analyzing data, creating designs, answering customer support questions, and even helping doctors detect diseases earlier than ever before. And while AI is creating new opportunities, it is also quietly replacing certain types of work. Today, we're going to break this down in simple terms. No fear, no hype, just reality. Let's start with one of the biggest misunderstandings about AI and jobs. Many people believe that AI will completely eliminate most jobs. In reality, that's not how technological change usually works. AI does not replace entire jobs overnight. Instead, AI replaces specific tasks within jobs. Think about a job as a collection of tasks rather than a single activity. When AI becomes good at handling some of those tasks, the job itself begins to change. For example, accountants are not disappearing. But tasks like manual data entry, invoice matching, and basic reporting are increasingly automated. Lawyers are not vanishing, but document review, contract analysis, and legal research are now being handled faster by AI systems. Marketers are not being replaced, but repetitive content creation, basic ad copy, and performance reporting are already heavily assisted by AI tools. Jobs that involve routine, predictable, and repetitive work are the most vulnerable. This does not mean those professions will disappear. It means the nature of the work inside them is changing. Now let's talk about which jobs are changing the fastest. For a long time, white-collar office jobs were considered safe. Many people believed that automation would mainly affect factory workers or manual labor. That assumption is no longer true. Office roles such as administrative assistants, junior analysts, and customer support agents are already being augmented, or in some cases replaced, by AI systems that can work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week without breaks. AI can schedule meetings, respond to emails, generate reports, analyze spreadsheets, and handle customer inquiries at a scale that humans simply cannot match. But this doesn't mean office workers are doomed. What it means is that the skills required for these roles are changing rapidly. Instead of spending time on repetitive tasks, workers are increasingly expected to focus on problem-solving, decision-making, and strategy. As AI takes over routine work, human skills become more valuable, not less. There are certain abilities that AI still struggles with, and these are becoming increasingly important. Skills like critical thinking, creativity, emotional intelligence, leadership, and judgment in uncertain situations are difficult for AI to replicate. AI can provide information. Humans provide meaning. AI can generate options. Humans choose the right path. Jobs that combine technology with human judgment will not only survive but thrive. For example, a manager who understands AI tools can make better decisions faster. A designer who uses AI to generate ideas can focus more on creativity and storytelling. A business professional who understands automation can deliver more value with less effort. This brings us to an important point that often gets overlooked. AI is not just eliminating tasks. It is also creating entirely new roles. Every major technological shift in history has created fear, but it has also created opportunity. The rise of computers eliminated certain jobs, but it also created software developers, IT specialists, and digital marketers. The rise of the internet changed industries, but it also created jobs that never existed before. AI is doing the same thing. New roles are emerging, such as AI tool specialists, prompt engineers, AI ethics consultants, automation managers, and data interpreters. Many of these jobs did not exist just a few years ago, and many more will appear in the coming years. The future belongs to people who learn how to work with AI, not against it. This does not mean you need to become a programmer or a machine learning expert. Most people do not need deep technical knowledge. What they do need is a basic understanding of how AI tools work and how to use them effectively. Knowing how to ask the right questions, interpret results, and apply AI outputs to real-world problems will be a valuable skill in almost every industry. So how can you stay relevant in this changing landscape? First, develop a basic understanding of AI tools related to your field. You don't need to master everything. Start with one or two tools that can improve your productivity. Second, focus on skills that AI cannot easily replace. Communication, creativity, leadership, and strategic thinking will always matter. Third, adopt a continuous learning mindset. The pace of change is not slowing down. People who are willing to learn and adapt will have an advantage over those who resist change. Those who ignore AI may struggle. Those who embrace it early will position themselves for new opportunities. AI will not replace humans, but humans who use AI will replace those who don't. The next 5 years will not be about fighting technology. They will be about learning how to grow with it. And the best time to start preparing for that future is right now.